Hi guys, welcome to the PC Tips Pro. In this video tutorial, we are going to discuss and I will show you how you can uh, how you can uninstall AVG antivirus from your uh, Mac computer. Let's suppose if you are going to change your antivirus program in your Mac computer, so sometimes it's difficult to remove or uninstall the existing antivirus from the computer. So I will just show you how to remove that one. You can use the same uh, steps, you can use the same procedure to remove any antivirus from your computer if you want in the Mac. So here first of all you will have to just log into your computer, and you can you can go to the Finder. Here you can see at the left bottom corner the Finder option is coming up. Then after go to the applications option. This is the application. Now you need to find out the application, the software or the antivirus you want to uninstall from your program. So here I want to remove this AVG antivirus app from my Mac computer. So I will just select that one and drag and drop to the bin. Either I can drag and drop, or I can just simply make a right click to the app, and you can see here it's coming up move to bin. So click on the option move to bin, and it will move. So you can see here that the item AVG antivirus app can't be moved to the bin because it's open. Okay, fine. So it's already running in my Mac computer. So what I will do, I will just go ahead and check the icon where it's open. On the top you can see it's coming up here, open AVG. This is the symbol of AVG antivirus for the Mac. So click on that icon, and then you will get several options like scan your Mac, check for updates, open AVG antivirus. So why I'm removing the AVG? Because I just installed the Norton security, and I want to continue with the Norton, and I want to uninstall the AVG. Here you can see almost 10 days before, you can see here 355 days remaining. So I did install the Norton, so I do not need AVG anymore. So as the program is running AVG, that's why it's not moving to the bin. So in order to uninstall, first of all go ahead and open the AVG antivirus. Then once you open the AVG antivirus, you can see on the top left side